Hello friends, welcome to this Filmora video editing tutorial. Today I will guide you through some simple tricks to create viral shots using Filmora. These tricks you can also apply in CapCut or any other video editing app. The first one I will be showing is the white masking transition. It is super easy and looks really cool. First, import your videos. For shorts and reels, it is better to use vertical format videos, 9:16. Otherwise, you will need to resize them. Next, drag your video to the timeline and set the frame size to 1080 by 1920. Add the same video again and place it above the first one in the timeline. Hide the first video and select the one on top. Go to the AI Tools section and turn on AI Portrait Cutout. It may take a few seconds to process. AI Portrait Cutout is used to remove the background from a video automatically. Go to the Color section. Set the saturation value to -100 to remove all colors. Then open the Curves option. Increase the white curve to the maximum to make the person appear completely white. Unhide the hidden video track. Go to the Mask section. Apply the linear mask to the video on top. Rotate the mask to 90 degrees. Adjust the position of the mask so that it fully covers the person. This will hide the person completely using the mask. Increase the blur strength. I set it to 30 for a smooth blend. Move the playhead to the start of the timeline and add a keyframe to the mask position. Move the playhead to the 2-second mark and add another keyframe to the mask position. At the second keyframe, adjust the mask position to fully reveal the person. And that's how you can create a stunning white masking transition in just a few minutes. The second one is a masking transition. Simple to create but really effective. It can truly make your shorts or reels pop and grab attention. I have added a video to the timeline where a person is dancing. Move the playhead to the spot where you want to add the transition. Take a snapshot. It will automatically add it to your project media. Drag the snapshot to a track above the video, placing it at the current playhead position. Set the snapshot to start 1 or 2 seconds before the current playhead position. Now split the snapshot at the playhead position and delete the second part. Select the snapshot. Go to the AI Tools section and turn on AI Portrait Cutout. It may take a few seconds to process. Hide the main video track to focus on the snapshot. Go to the Mask section. Apply a linear mask to the snapshot. Rotate the mask to 90 degrees. Adjust the mask position until the person is completely hidden. At the starting point of the snapshot, add a keyframe to the mask position. Add a second keyframe to the mask position at the end point of the snapshot. At the second keyframe, adjust the Y position of the mask to fully reveal the person. Next, unhide the hidden video track. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, we would appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials.